Dear world.
Dear world.
Dear world.
Dear world.
Dear world, individually, we are very good.
But united, we are simply amazing.
For whenever we have united,
We have done something awesome.
So, dear world, why don't we come together once again and do something great?
Let us meet at my place, India.
India,
India.
India,
India.
old in experience,
but youthful in vision.
With people as warm as our weather.
with the population of youth that is much larger than many countries.
And with an economy that is growing at almost 8%.
Let us meet through a pathway, that is India's economic expressway.
Gujarat.
The state on the western coast of India, the most industrialized state in the country, and a preferred business destination.
We in India believe that the whole world is family. What we call Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. This brief is even more strongly displayed in the thought and action of the people of Gujarat, because we Gujaratis are a global community.
Dear world. Here you can walk on time-tested roads to success. You can spread your wings in a boundless sky and float in an ocean of opportunities.
And you will reach your assured destination.
Gujarat can also be a crossroad for a new era of sustainable development, where technology meets climate action, where entrepreneurs meet clean energy, where young people meet job opportunities.
We know that the world becomes stronger where there are great leaders. The world unites where arms are spread wide open.
The world develops where there is peace. And collectively, with all these advantages, Gujarat has been ranked first in ease of doing business in 2015 and adjudged the best state in India.
This is the reason why the state stands tall, being India's largest producer of pharmaceuticals, chemicals and petrochemicals, India's highest cargo port capacity, India's only chemical port,
And the only state to have 2 LNG terminals, a statewide gas grid and water grid.
This is a relationship between India and the United States where we believe very deeply that we can turn sustainable economic growth opportunities into a prosperity we have never seen before.
Come, join us on a bridge to a million opportunities.
You can partner with us as Gujarat is a national leader in 15 out of the 25 sectors of the Make in India program.
You can go financially global at the Gujarat International Finance Tech City, India's only international financial services center, with a special economic zone and domestic tariff area.
or benefit from the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, 38% of which passes through Gujarat.
Or you can be a stakeholder in India's first future city that is taking shape at Dholera's Special Investment Region.
Or you can invest in the central business district to be developed on the Sabarmati river front.
Our success as an institution is closely tied to this country's economic growth and development. For this reason, we're committed to catalyzing a vibrant India in addition to a vibrant Gujarat.
And meanwhile, if you wish to stay here in Gujarat, we have elegant townships where varied cultures live together in harmony.
Here, you can celebrate,
Learn, enjoy wellness, or relax on the shores of India's longest coastline.
In Gujarat, you will find the perfect balance to live and do business.
Because the world always loves to return again and again where there is stability and friendship.
And for that, we have a strong reason to invite you here for the 8th time, the Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2017.
Which in its true sense connects India to the world, where more than 20,000 delegates from India and 100 countries will unite over 3 days. More than 2,000 companies will participate, where heads of governments, policy makers, corporate leaders and experts will network and ideate.
Where over 2 million visitors will vibrate the global trade show.
where the Global CEO Conclave will deliberate on the economic agenda, where experts will share their ideas on development finance, innovation, smart villages and manufacturing.
Where a roundtable conference with Nobel laureates will ignite minds.
This is the right time and right place to spark off Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Make in India initiative.
Dear world,
Dear world,
Dear world,
Dear world, a healthy dialogue will surely result into a healthy future. Be here
on January 10, 11, 12 and 13th of 2017.
At the 8th Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2017.
Gujarat, India's economic expressway.